Hey, good morning, garage fans. NewAge Garage here on a fine Saturday morning here in Fountain Hills, Arizona. And I wanted to announce finally we're at the day where the cabinetry is going in. So we have these cabinets behind me with a combined weight of almost 1,200 pounds. Serious hardware, comes from NewAge products. I'll put up some information about the specific get-up later, so you'll see later on whether or not that is something you're interested in. And I'm going to show you how it unboxes, how to put it together, and what the various components of this system can do and help you be more organized in your garages. Okie dokie karaoke. I hopefully have spared you some of the pain of this install. It took longer than planned, largely because, a lot of cooks in this kitchen and frankly some bad planning. But let me show you through some of the features and some of the work yet to be done. If you look down here, one of the cool features of these cabinets that are about 80 inches in height, 24 inches deep, is these little grommets in the bottom. So I look forward to putting some power in there. Here's the 5-drawer unit. Everything's soft close, which is super slick. These are all lined. Here you can see they're lined. And then one project that'll get undertaken is they give you all these inserts to do separation so you can really organize your goodies. And let me get that one pushed in a little bit more. So you can see there's kind of 4 what I call low to medium depth drawers, and then the bottom drawer is a little bit deeper, probably for some power tools. We'll figure that out later on. On this side of the equation, we've got the 2-door unit where you've got this little sliding panel that'll come out. I want to say the weight rating on that's about 100 pounds. Definitely good stuff there. The countertop, that's bamboo. If you look at the color, well, I love the color of the unit as a whole. What we're dealing with is, forgive that, whoa, let's go up, is, it doesn't really look that great. So options would be painting it or maybe flipping over to a stainless steel version, but we'll cross that bridge. Let me trash that one first. On the other side, we've got another 80-inch unit pegged up to 83 inches once you get these little feet on there. So that's kind of the size of it. The top units, again, pretty high rating, about 100 pounds, I think, each. You'll see in the footage how they were hung. They're lag bolted into some studs and then a little finaggery to get them relatively level. That was kind of the story of the day there. One of the things I will do is I'll drop power down from this unit beneath this cabinet. And in doing that, we'll get some power into the cabinets through that grommet so you can charge all the various power tool items that will be housed. Some of the evidence of the great planning I did, that evidence being that upper cabinet there didn't make it in, and that was because I forgot to measure the full width. So way to go, D-Ray. Net, happy with the result. Let me close it up here so you can see a closed shot. So there you have it. That's the current state of affairs. A little bit more work to be done, but not a bad effort for probably a half day's work, 4 or 5 hours of goobering around, and you've probably seen some of that already. And so, yeah, more to come. Next acquisition will be something to get the car off the ground, and so then we can start actually doing some fun stuff with the vehicles as well. But I'll back up here so you can see. Created a lot of space in here. That'll be nice because that stuff's been sitting in those boxes for a period of time. So definitely will enjoy having the space, some more organization, and taking D-Ray's garage to the next level. Appreciate you coming along for the ride and look forward to future videos. Be memorable. Be well.